I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Echinacea Tincture, updated. Start by selecting fresh or dried Echinacea and measuring a reliable herb to solvent ratio. Prepare a clean 16 oz jar and loosely chop the herbs to increase surface area. Pour 80 to 100 proof vodka over the herbs until fully submerged, leaving headspace. Seal the jar tightly, label with date and contents, and store it in a cool, dark place. Measure herbs precisely to maintain consistent tincture strength and predictable results. For fresh Echinacea, aim for a 1:5 herb to solvent ratio, and for dried herbs use 1:4. Use 80 to 100 proof vodka to extract both water and alcohol-soluble compounds. Stir or shake gently after adding solvent to remove air pockets and ensure full contact. Label the jar with ratio and date so you can reproduce the method later. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit subscribe and like so I can keep making herbal guides you enjoy. Quick recommendation. The book The Simple Path to Wealth is a great read if you want clearer thinking about money and priorities, and it pairs well with making thoughtful, frugal projects like tinctures. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Steep the jar in a cool, dark spot and give it a gentle shake each day to keep the herbs saturated. After 4 to 6 weeks, taste a small sample to confirm extraction, then strain through cheesecloth into a clean container, pressing the mark gently to recover liquid. Squeeze until mostly dry, then transfer tincture to amber dropper bottles. Mark bottles with date, herb ratio, and any notes on strength or flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.